In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your word count on Word. So let's say you're doing a document, you're typing something up, and you need a specific word count in your document to meet a requirement. On Word, it's real easy to do. I'm on the website version of this because I'm on a Mac, but it's very simple to do here. So what you want to do is, I have a bunch of stuff here, and in the corner here, at the bottom left corner here, you actually don't see the word count here. It doesn't give me the actual number. Now, if you were to click on it, it would give you the number, but there's a way to just have it naturally displayed there. So how I like to do it when I'm typing something up is actually go up here to the search bar here, and I'm just going to type in word count, and you see it already up there. What you can do is simply check this box, but the actual action or tool of the word count has this little arrow here, and then you can go ahead and click show word count. So now, if you look back at the top bottom left corner, it will actually show you the live count of your words. So I can type this again. And then the words will automatically upload, and now I have 22 words instead of 18. And if I delete some, it will update within a second, and there you go, it updates. So that is how you would go about finding your word count on Word. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.